Obviously there was something afoot. Facing a vicious mob life is a nomad had obviously taken its toll and we couldn't believe it back for I was looking it was just incredible to see alive and such poor condition when all signs of his mane had disappeared and he was just an extremely thin and desperate line. Hyena is engaged in a fight for his life. And then comes the cavalry who formed a coalition with another nomadic male one. He was also in terrible condition but his presence is enough to turn the tide. After a brief but desperate battle, unusual for a lion to eat a hyena but Hyena was obviously really desperate and starving still. It obviously hung in the slung and weed. Just hope that he's managed to be a little bit longer bear. Here great herds of buffalo make their way through a parched African landscape. Responding to the siren call of water, the animals must descend into a valley of death. Filmmakers Lynn and Phil Richardson have come to this unique place in the hopes of capturing the secret life of the magnificent predators who prey upon these herds. It's quite a big spring in an area which is very hot and very dry, so the large herds of buffalo that have to go there today